hingke mo chaita step norok complete ma khaini sikang aibore personal detail ang tabuk fill up khai phunuknai personal detail jaga norok ni je bumung tongmani abo bumung full bumung iro norok naimanai hingke jodi mistake tong hingke iro norok thik khainai mano aibore norok ni je gender tongmani abo gender ro click khainai male female abo norok select khai diro hingke ang tabuk female no select khairnai motike female select khaipainai iro norok ni je marital status tongmani abo norok iro select khaidi married and never married abo norok select khaidi iro norok iro naimankhana norok ni marital status norok iro select khaidi hingke never married ni iro ang tabuk select khairika aibore norok ni je date of birth tongmani abo date of birth iro naimanai norok ni boyos busungkha abo norok iro total iro naimanai 2026 June busu boyos wngkha abo norok iro check khai naimanai hingke motike scroll down khaidi tola phaidi motike tola phainai iro social category norok iro select ma khainai general OBC SC ST PWS ni norok